Welcome to Adventures with Barbara. Today I'm going to talk about pool noodles and Christmas decorations. Now I've got two different kinds here. One came from the dollar store, one came from Walmart. Now the only two difference in the two of them is the price. The dollar store is 99 cents, Walmart $2.99, but I picked these up because it's the end of July for 99 cents. Other than that, when you wrap them with duct tape, it's going to require a little bit more for the ones that came from Walmart. Other than that, no difference. Now, a lot of people talk about how to put the PVC pipe in the ground. They say shave off one side so it's easier to get into the ground. I don't like that because you could damage the PVC pipe. And if I'm going to put my time into it, I don't want to damage it. So, how I do it is I use rebar. Now you can get this from the dollar store, not the dollar store, but your local hardware store for about $2. If you buy a bundle of 25, you'll spend $25, $1 a piece. But anyways, with the rebar, I have it because I've got a Halloween fence I put up, but I'll do another video on that. But the rebar fits perfect inside the PVC pipe, and it attaches more securely. You don't have to worry about the PVC pipe being blown away. All you need is a hammer or a mallet, and try not to hit your hand. And you can put the rebar into the ground in any direction you want. If you want to put it at an angle, hammer it down to where it's down far enough that it's not going to tip over if it rains, and you slide it on. That's it. Now, I also experimented with the pool noodles and trying to make a sucker, and I cut it in half thinking that it would be easier to roll, and it's okay from a distance, but time consuming. Anyways, when you do this, I use hot glue and I cut out a hole, and the PVC pipe will just slide in. I'll wrap it with cellophane, and to complete the sucker, I'm going to take a styrofoam ball, cover it with duct tape, stick it in the hole. Take my rebar, put it in the ground, slide it over. I have a sucker that's not going to go anywhere. So this is my little tip, is use a rebar instead of trying to put this into the ground, because this is a little bit more stronger. I'm not going to show you how I made the PVC pipe because YouTube has enough. What I did was I got one board, I freehanded, and it's ugly, freehanded the candy cane, took some pieces of wood and used my heat gun. So there you have it, another way to put your candy canes and suckers in the ground for Christmas by using a $2 rebar pipe. Until next time, see ya.